It's Read Now, Book 2 for Grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students of Grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine and enjoying good health and taking good care. I am also good, Alhamdulillah. I am your English teacher, is here from Qura Public School Junior Branch MTC. I want to say to all of you, welcome in our English online class. Our today's topic is Only Pretending, chapter number 9. Our today's class assignment is chapter number 9. Answer this question, exercise number 3. Students, as you all knows, we have done the reading, explanation, back exercise, words meaning and word sentences of this chapter. So today we are going to do the exercise number 3, question answers. Are you ready, students? Okay. So firstly, I will tell you today is Monday, 3rd May 2021. So it is our today's task of Monday. Answer this question. So all of you take out your English literature notebook and maintain your page. Firstly, you will write the day, that is Monday, 3rd May, 2021. And then you will write the topic. The topic is Only Pretending. Then you will write exercise number 3. Answer this question. You will underline the topic and the subtopic, and don't forget to draw the margin line at the both side of your page. So I will read the question and I will explain the answer of this question. You will write this answer by listening the video by yourself. Okay, students? So question number 1 is, what was the name of the story? As you all knows, this story is about an animal. Its name is a possum. The animal is pretending as he had died. So the name of the story, what was the name of the story? The answer is, the name of the story was Only Pretending. Answer is, the name of the story was Only Pretending. It is the answer of question number 1. I am repeating again and again. Otherwise, if you feel any difficulty, then you can ask any question about this exercise. What was the name of the story? The name of the story was Only Pretending. Is it clear, students? As here is the picture of the animal which is pretending in this chapter. So to make your concept more clear, I will also share the pictures of these question answers for your help. So again, I will tell you the name of the story was the Only Pretending. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, what was the boy's name? As you know, we have read the chapter and you all knows the boy's name was Peter. As it is the picture of Peter, this is the picture of Peter. So you will write here, the boy's name was Peter. The boy's name was Peter. When you will write Peter, the first letter of Peter will be capital because Peter is a noun and the first letter of a noun in any sentence is capital. The boy's name was Peter. Students, when we read the chapter carefully, attentively, then we can find the answers easily. So it is very easy. The boy's name was Peter. It is easy for learning when you will focus on your reading. What was the boy's name? The boy's name was Peter. Now question number 3. What was the girl's name? As you can see, it is the picture of a girl. The girl's name was Mary. The girl's name was Mary. You will write here, the girl's name was Mary. The first letter of Mary will be capital because Mary is a noun and always noun, first letter of noun will be capital in a sentence. The girl's name was Mary. Now come to the question number 4. What was the strange animal doing in the wood? What was the strange animal doing in the wood? As I have told to you when I explain this chapter, the animal is scratching insect and gobbling them up. The insect is scratching, the animal is scratching insects and gobbling them up. Gobbling means Eating quickly and scratching mean rubbing. Scratching mean rubbing. So mark the surface of the something with a sharp or pointed objects. As you can see by the help of its nails, the animal is rubbing the wood and finding the insects. So the answer is it was scratching insect and gobbling them up. Again, it was scratching insects and gobbling them up. It is the answer of question number 4. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is about what size was the animal. The animal, it was the size of a rabbit. As you can compare the size of a possum and a rabbit are same, are the both sizes are the same. So you will write the answer. It was the size of a rabbit. About what size was the animal? The answer is it was the size of a rabbit. You will write the answer in your copies. It was the size of a rabbit. Now come to the question number 6. Question number 6 is what did the animal do when it saw them? What did the animal do when it saw them? Now they are asking about a possum. What did a possum do when it saw them? So the answer is it pretended to be dead. It pretended to be dead. As you can see, it is a cat and it is showing that it is dead. So the opossum is also showing that it is dead. So the answer is it pretended to be dead. It pretended to be dead. So okay students, we have total 12 question answers in this exercise number 3. So today we will do the question number 1 to 6 and inshallah tomorrow we will do question number 7 to 12. For writing the answers of these questions, you must listen the video carefully for the good results of your questions answers. Okay students, it is our class assignment and today we will do question answers and words meaning words and dictation words also. So once again I will revise the question answers for your convenient. So you will write Monday 3rd May 2021, topic only pretending, exercise 3, answer this question. Now listen carefully, this video will be helpful for writing your answer. Question number 1, what was the name of the story? Answer is the name of the story was Only Pretending. Students, it is your classwork page. You will maintain your page same like this. You will draw the margin line same like this and you will write day, date and topic exercise like this. Question number 1 again, what was the name of the story? The name of the story was Only Pretending. Question number 2, what was the boy's name? Answer is the boy's name was Peter. Question number 3, what was the girl's name? The girl's name was Mary. Question number 4, what was the strange animal doing in woods? So the answer is it was scratching insects and gobbling them up. Question number 5, about what size was the animal? It was the size of a rabbit. It was the size of a rabbit. Question number 6 and today's last question is what did the animal do when it saw them? It pretended to be dead. It pretended to be dead. Is it clear students? Now come to our today's dictation line number 2 which I have assigned to you on Wednesday. So maintain your page for dictation. Monday 3rd May 2021, topic is dictation line number 2. Number 1 word is wagged, number 2 is sand, number 3 is fluffy, number 4 is dawn and number 5 and last one is wished. WAGGED, wagged. Revise with me and write it on your English literature notebook as a test. SAND sand, FLUFFY fluffy, DAW and dawn, WISHED wished. It is our today's dictation line number 2 and now come to the home assignment. Your home assignment is learn classwork plus dictation line number 3. So student, I want to clear a point for you. It will be a little bit difficulty for writing the answers because I have didn't explain the written answer to you, but I have explained very well in my uh, voice notes in my video, and I hope you feel you will never feel any difficulty. If you feel any difficulty, otherwise I am here for your assistance, Miss Sobia. You can ask any question, any query about your assignment. Okay students, learn classwork and learn dictation line number 3. Okay students, now it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz students, have a nice day.